Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you today? So, I thought today we would make Amaya another bra. She needs one. So, I'm going to start with the bra straps here. Trying to get it close to the edge. Oops, I'm taking that one too close to the edge. I have to snip the dart there. I have it snipped on the other set. But since this is lined, there's two sets of this. So we are going to sew these darts real quick. And one more. Get these cut apart. Okay, I have the backs here, and I'm just going to go ahead and sew a back to the front. And last time I used a 1/4 of an inch, and I'm going to go just slightly less. Oh, maybe not. That way I have a little bit more room in there for the for that bra cup. Let's see. This one goes over here. And we are gonna make this one a little bit smaller too. I'm gonna have to change my needle, I do believe. Kind of pre-open this before I get to the iron. Make it a little bit easier. And I'll sew the other one together. And this last side, so I'm gonna pause while I go do my pressing. And for the straps, I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm trimming this up close. So I will have a little bit less bulk up there. Hopefully I left enough that I don't poke through. And trust me, I will have you paused as I turn these things because that's not fun either. So I will be right back. Okay, I am back here and we have everything turned and pressed. I've inserted one strap in between the front and the back. Just to hold it, I'm putting a pin in on the other side. I'm putting another pin. And what I'm going to do now is sew probably a little bit over here, up and around and this way. And I'm going to leave the bottom opened. I'll be actually turning up the bottom to do the hem the bottom side of both sides after, I do the kind of like a cup detail and pad the bra. So we're going to get this started right here. And this should probably be another 1/4 of an inch. But I'm turning this, taking the first pin out because, we don't sew over pins with our expensive machines. You shouldn't sew over a pin with any machine. little bit. Okay. Here it is. Now I am going to go and press this. Get it all nice and open and, flatten everything, and then we'll come back and do a cup detail here, and we will stuff the bra and pat it up and close it up. Gotta fix this right here. I'll be right back. Okay, so here is probably where my little bralette will go awry, because I'm not changing out my thread to put in black thread, because I have a lot of other sewing I have to do right after this, and I'm just not going to do it. So I'm taking a cotton ball and I am stuffing it up in there. I'm going to see if I can try to get two. Let's see. Make her extra booby, because that's going to put it way over there. Oh, no, I think I can do it. And here is going to be the hard part. I should probably try to stitch this by hand, but I don't like to hand stitch. So I'm not going to do it. Oh, she's gonna be loaded on this one, I think. I got to get them all in the one little area before I do the cup detail. But dang, I might have should have just stuck with the one. Let's see what this is gonna look like. Come on, bro. This would have looked so much better if I had changed my thread out, but oh well. Now, I'm going to try to push this over as far as I can and get it all up into here. And freestyle a cup around here. So that way I know that the two cotton balls cannot go any further. So she'll be a little bit more padded this time. And squish this all over here. Oops. And I know they're not the same shape or anything, but hey, it's on the fly. And we're going to go pin fit this on her and close out this video. We'll see what it looks like. Hold on. Well, I ended up having to put the snap on the front of it as I couldn't get the actual pin to keep it closed. So it took me a little bit longer to do that as I wanted to, but it's got a wonder clip kind of up on the back neck. But as you can see, she's definitely got a little bit more upstairs on this version than she did the last version. So let's hold on a second. I'm gonna put that turtleneck back on her. Okay, so the turtleneck is back on her now, and as you can see from the side, she's definitely got a little bit more upstairs now, which I think helps bring her more into proportion with her big rear. But yeah, now that I know I can get 2 cotton balls up in there, I may try to resize that pattern just a little bit. So what do you think of this one, 2.0? Do you think you like her with a larger breast, or did you like her with her natural size, or version 1.0 of this bra? Let me know, and we will talk to you later. Bye.